Cheap travel destinations in Europe. There's no doubt that traveling around Europe can be expensive. Long-distance flights, pricey hotels, and fancy dinners can add up faster than you thought. While Europe is home to some of the most expensive countries in the world, it's also home to some of the cheapest. So in this video, you will find out the cheap travel destinations in Europe. But before getting into it, please subscribe to this channel and tap the bell icon for regular updates. Number 5. Poland. Although Poland's trains are less advanced than other European countries, they're still an affordable option. By purchasing the weekend ticket, you'll have unlimited rides on most trains throughout the whole country. Also, most of Poland's monuments and buildings are free to visit, while museums are offered for free entrance at least once a week. With all that saved money, you can buy a few extra beers, which are also ridiculously cheap. The average food budget per day is at $5 to $10 while the accommodation per night is at $14 to $18 per person. Number 4. Czech Republic. Known for its Gothic cathedrals and medieval castles, Prague remains one of the top tourist destinations in the Czech Republic. Although the capital city is considered one of the cheapest cities in Europe, it can still be 50 to 100% more expensive than other places in the country. So, your dollar will stretch much further if you choose to stay outside Prague. Český Krumlov, Karlovy Vary, and Brno are other beautiful and affordable cities that you'll find in Czech Republic. But no matter where you are in the country, you can always count on cheap food and drinks with an average budget per day of $8 to $12 and the accommodation per night is at $18 to $23 per person. The Czechs aren't lying when they say that their beer is cheaper than water. Number 3. Romania. If you want to visit one of the cheapest cities in Europe, look no further than Bucharest with an average food budget per day at $15 and accommodation per night of $10 to $15 per person. Romania's capital city is a must-see for any traveler on a budget because staying in the city is extremely affordable, with shared hostel rooms starting at just a few bucks a day. But if you're looking to splurge, you can also book the best room in a luxury 5-star hotel without breaking the bank. Number 2. Hungary. It is considered one of the cheapest countries in Europe year after year. Although most travelers flock to Budapest for the thermal baths, grandiose cathedrals, and thriving nightlife, they often skip Hungary's other cool towns and villages. The neighboring cities of Pécs, Miskolc, and Eger are also worth visiting. There is a low-cost airline called Wizz Air that offers cheap flights out of Budapest and flies to over 60 destinations. So, you can easily get to Hungary no matter where you are in Europe. To top it off, Hungary is some of the cheapest dining options with an average food budget per day at $15 and the accommodation per night at $19 to $25 per person. You can eat like a king for just a few euros that includes a bottle of local beer. Number 1. Bulgaria. Bulgaria consistently tops the list of cheapest countries in Europe, and for a good reason. No matter where you go in the country, you can find a good deal on accommodations per night at $11 to $15 per person, food at $5 to $10 and entertainment. The capital city, Sofia, perfect destination for a city getaway. But if you're looking to soak in a bit of sun, then head to the coastal town of Sunny Beach because it's been named Europe's cheapest resort destination 4 years in a row. If you want to explore more cheap travel destinations, check out our video on cheap travel destinations in Asia. So this is all for today. Feel free to share with us your thoughts in the comment section below. If you find this video helpful, give this a thumbs up and share this with your friends. And also, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.